Greetings, writers. Today's mini lesson is about the parts of a letter. We want to review these because that is what we're working on in writing, working on writing letters about books we love. When I think about the parts of a letter, I actually imagine a postal worker. Let me show you what I mean. This graphic shows you the parts of a letter. We start with the heading, it's pointing to the head. We start with the heading, and that simply is the date that you write the letter. Then you see the greeting is pointed toward the postal worker's mouth. That's where you say, Dear Mrs. Richard, or Dear readers in room 7, or Dear Grandma. The greeting tells who you're writing to. Then we have this long section here, which is the body. And the body of your opinion letter is going to be where you tell the name of your book. It's going to be where you state your opinion. It's going to be where you write down all your reasons. After you've done the body of your letter, you see the word closing, and it's pointing at the shoe. That just kind of gives you the idea that your letter's done. The postal worker's walking away. He has nothing else to say. The closing is where you say something like your friend, your daughter, your student, your pal. The word from is not a closing in a letter. You have to identify yourself, and usually letter writers do that by telling the relationship. And then the signature is the very last part of your letter. It goes directly under the closing, and that's where you sign your name. Let's take a look now at the letter that I wrote to you yesterday and see if we can identify some of those parts.